The date? August 2nd, 2025. The happenings? Charlie Slimesicle is participating in a Nuzlocke tournament, of which he was expected to go out first because his Elite Four battle was shit. He gets put against the top contender for the winning spot, Valkyrae, in the first competition. He wins 0-2. He is set to go up against Ludwig, and I, thinking myself a funny little jokester, say, hey, if Slimesicle wins the whole thing, I'll make a public apology to Vixen Bisley Bebo. Charlie wins the match against Ludwig 0-2. Charlie then goes on to win the match against the next guy whose name I cannot remember but will edit in here 0-2. He then goes up against Valkyrae again and loses and gets second place overall, which means I don't have to make a public apology. I'm here to make a public antagonism.